Hello and welcome to Printables.com. We're excited to announce that we've partnered with some of the biggest names in various industries to bring you official 3D printable files for your home appliances, replacement parts, accessories, models from games and more. Adafruit, Bohemia Interactive, Cooler Master, Framework Computer, Noctua, Raspberry Pi, Warhorse Studios, World of Warships, and, well, us, Prusa Research, have all joined Printables.com and will be sharing official 3D printable models for their customers, fans, and their community. All of these 3D models are available for free, so you can easily download and print them at home. This opens up a world of possibilities for businesses and consumers alike. Replacement parts can be printed locally and on demand, eliminating the need for inventory and shipping. This also makes it easier for brands to support the Right to Repair initiative. For example, Cooler Master is sharing replacement parts for their famous computer cases. In addition to replacement parts, businesses can also create accessories and mods for their products, allowing customers to personalize and improve them. Noctua is sharing adapters and spacers for their famous cooling fans. Framework Computer is sharing a case for the motherboard from their easily upgradable notebook. Adafruit already has hundreds of models on printables, using their microcontrollers and NeoPixels in fun and creative projects. And Raspberry Pi is also joining in, sharing creative projects using their microcontrollers. And for fans of popular games and movies, brands can create official printable models, such as figures, costumes, and props. We have collaborated with World of Warships to create an incredible model of the USS St. Louis cruiser. It's printable completely without support and has over 70 movable parts that simply snap together. If you download the model, you will even get an activation code to unlock the ship in the game. And another game developer studio, Bohemia Interactive, is releasing wonderful models from their games Arma 3, DayZ, and Islands. And Warhorse Studios, the developers of the medieval RPG game Kingdom Come Deliverance, are releasing a 3D printable figure of Henry, the game's protagonist. Of course, all of these models can be painted to make them look even nicer. We'd like to thank all our partners for releasing their models on printables and helping us start a shift in the industry. We hope that in the future, it will be the norm for brands to release 3D printable models to accompany their products. You can easily recognize an official profile thanks to the new verified badges and the banner graphics. The community of makers and designers has already uploaded thousands of replacement parts, accessories, and fan models to Printables.com. We're now giving brands the power to highlight these community creations on their profile. You'll find the highlights from the community under the Featured Models section on the brand profile. We'll also be running designer contests in collaboration with our partners, where you'll be able to win valuable prizes. With all of these models available, it will be a huge plus for customers, and it will add value to the product itself. We also expect a community of makers to grow around each of the brands with presence on printables, with user-made improvements and add-ons. Join us in the 3D printing revolution and check out the official brand profiles on Printables.com today.